Still here with Greg on a job. We're going to be changing the media in a filter. So here we go. We've got a side mount filter. The multi-port's on the side, usually because it's been squeezed under. When is it worth changing the sand in a filter, or when is it worth replacing a filter? My rule of thumb is if the equipment's less than 5 to 7 years old, it's probably worth repair or reconditioning the equipment, like a filter or a pump. After 5 to 7 years old, usually the cost adds up, you're worth replacing. All right, let's take the top off. So we've already shut off valves coming to and from the pool equipment, so there's no water coming to the equipment. There we go. That comes off, that's good. Take a look inside. We've just covered over the standpipe so that when we're taking sand out or putting it in, we're not going to get some in the standpipe. I like to use a wet dry vacuum cleaner. I find it does quicker than the Venturi, and I'll run through the cleanup afterwards. Pour that, pretty filthy, definitely needs changing. This is a Venturi pump, or sometimes called a Slurpee. It's connected to the garden hose, so high pressure water comes in, causes a jet, and that jet of water will then lift up debris or other water and send it down a waste pipe to the garden. What you want to do is push it down into the sand and sort of wave it in the sand, and that will cause the sand to be picked up by the jet of water, and you'll end up with a slurry coming out the other end. Now, because we've got a garden nearby, this is a great way to get rid of the wet slurry, whereas at other times you might want to use the wet dry vac. Always check the laterals in the bottom. So it's not uncommon that after 5 to 7 years that the filter sand's really dirty like that. This pool's had some green pools, so let's get some new sand in there.